Hi, welcome. Do you want to download and watch movies for free but you don't know how to? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download movies for free in Facebook. Okay, so I think some of us knew that we can watch and download movies in Facebook platform, right? Completely free, without no subscriptions like Netflix. Because in Facebook, there are a lot of free sources that you can take from. If you're interested to know, then this video is for you. So without further ado, let's get right into it. By the way, if you're a member of any movie groups, then good for you because the admins will post movie links, either latest or past movies, for you to be easy to find. But for those who didn't have movie groups, it's alright because you can join anytime. And for those who doesn't have interest at all, it's still alright because you can do search in Facebook. There are Facebook accounts that posted movie links. Now, first thing we're gonna do is we're going to save first the movie we wanted so it will be easy to find and download. So let's open our Facebook, log in if you haven't logged in, and sign up if you haven't Facebook account. Okay, so since I am a member of a movie groups, I can easily save movie links. I'm just gonna choose movie group. I'm gonna choose this one, solid movie, because the admin is very much active in updating movies. Okay, so there's the latest, Don't Breathe. Okay, if you want to find something other than Don't Breathe movie, then you can scroll down and there's a lot of movie here with a movie link. This is one of the example of the collection of the movies that you can save. I'm just gonna find a movie link. Okay, let's try this post. Let's say we're gonna save this post. Now, to save this post, you're gonna click this little three dots beside the name of the admin. Click that one, and then tap Save Post. And then if you haven't put any file or a folder, then make one so you can save your movies. So if you save movies, then create a file folder that name movies. Just tap. So I already saved it to movies. Next thing you're gonna do is download Documents by Readdle App. You search Documents. For those who doesn't know what is this app gonna be, this is the app. You can also save your downloaded files, either movies, music, videos, your PDF, your Microsoft Word. It's all in one here in this app. I'm gonna see the reviews. It's 4.7. It's quite high. All I can say, this app is quite good. Okay, I recommended you, for those who have iOS, download this app. If you want to look for downloader, then this app is your choice. Since I already downloaded the app, then let's go ahead. If you haven't downloaded the app, then set up first. Now let's tap Documents. As you can see in my downloads, I downloaded some TV series. Now you can see Safari right here. It looks like a Safari, and also it is the browser of the app. Okay, just slide it to the left like that, then you will be led to the browser. In the search bar, type m.facebook.com. I'm gonna go to Facebook. Okay guys, since using a Wi-Fi doesn't work at all, well, doesn't work yet, because mostly I'm using my internet data or my mobile data. We'll figure it out on how to download movies using your Wi-Fi. So let's search Facebook. Type m.facebook.com. Alright, so make sure that when you open Facebook, it will gonna be look like this. It is in a free mode. So go to our movie that we saved, click this menu, and then let's go to save. Tap save, and then this is the time that we're gonna switch free mode to data mode. So tap see photos in the upper right corner, then use data. Now we are in free mode. Then we are set to download the movie that we saved. So before that, you see this link above. Now we're just gonna change this one. We're just gonna change this M. We're gonna change to M basic that facebook.com, and then go. Now you see we are still in the data mode, but we are now ready to download our movies without any problems. So find the movie that you save and click it. Okay, say this Ratatouille that I save here. Click, and then right, we're now set. So next thing we're gonna do is download. So tap and hold, tap it and hold like that, and then if you see download link, copy link, open link in new tab, open link in new private tab, and share, it is working. Okay, so next thing is tap this download link, and then change the name if you want, so you know what title of the movie is. Let's say Ratatouille. I don't know if that's the correct spelling. 2007. I'm gonna save it to downloads, or just gonna save it directly on photos, but mostly I download it in a downloads folder first. So then after that you click done, and then if you see this arrow here beside this little box, that is a download section. If you see the color violet right here, it means that your movie is being downloaded. Let's stop that, and then there we go, our movie is now downloaded. Let's wait until it downloaded. So by the way, while downloading the movie and you want to open your Facebook, or you want to watch YouTube videos, you can back to home, let the app run the background. Okay, and see, it's still downloading process. Also, you can close, then exit the browser, and you can see in the download section it is still running. So our movie is being downloaded. Now we're gonna see if our movie is working. We're gonna tap the movie. Let's see, forward, right, or bandas. Okay, it's easy tutorial. You can easily download movies if you want in Facebook. If you don't have Netflix, you can do search on Facebook, join movie groups, and download using the Documents by Readdle app. Thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial video.